This is an addendum to yesterday's film, DRM1. This is an addendum to that. I'm just going to call it DRM2, and it is where we eliminate the brick that we had yesterday and shift to siding at the top, reducing the amount of brick used on the building. In replacement of all that, we have to get all this siding and trim here. But I like how this worked out with just putting these windows as close as possible and having our wide walls at the ends. These windows now, it's, if Anderson only makes these sides in 3 feet wide, then this center one hopefully becomes a little wider since it's just a picture window, unless you change that to also a sliding window. You can only see that now this brick sill was called out by these door heights, these Anderson door heights, and aligning these tops interior, and that's called out where this sill had to be, along with brick coursing itself. And you can see it is 1 course lower than what you have there, so I don't know, maybe something can be done about that. And you can put a circle top in that gable window if you like, easily enough and legitimately enough. A couple interior photos with and without that circle. And then here's a quick rotation around this structure with the brick in the siding. The brick occupies 100 square feet, which means you're going to need about 680 or 700 bricks, which you should have about that. So that works out real well. Anyway, let me know what you think about any and all of this, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.